I tried a viral carrot cake recipe for the first time, and guys, it came out so good. I also did cream cheese frosting and all of that to just add a little pizzazz to it, and this is how it turned out. If you're interested in seeing the full process, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got home from work not too long ago. Come home, wash up the plate, them lunch plates and everything. And today I was thinking to myself, you know, self, I feel like I want to make something nice. So the other day I made cinnamon rolls, and those were a hit. And you should check that video out, by the way, because that was bomb.com. If you haven't yet watched the video, what are you waiting for? The link is up here and in the description below. Go watch the video of me making cinnamon rolls for the first time. People, it came out so good. So since I have leftover frosting, I decided that I don't want it to waste. So I'm gonna try to make carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. So today I got some carrots. My friend go market for me, so I'm so happy I didn't have to go myself. And so I'm gonna have the carrots. I'm gonna say, you know what, I have carrots with the frosting, carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. What else? That makes so much sense. So yeah, make the cake with me. So this recipe required 2 cups of shredded or grated carrots. So after I cleaned the carrots up, I went ahead and got to grating them. This is definitely the part of the recipe that I hated the most because I don't like grating, but we did it. I then gathered all my ingredients that I would need for this recipe and just like put them out and then try to like, you know, measure them out so that it would be easier for this process. And I'm not about to yap this whole entire video out, so just look at the screen for the ingredients and the necessary instructions. So our cake is finally done, and look at that. Wow, just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm about to frost my cake. My friend gave me one of these, which is so cool because we have a turntable. Alright, so grabbing our cake. Our cake is cool and ready to be taken out of this pan. Right. So I'm going to use a plate to flip it over.
No! No! No!
Why isn't it coming out? Isn't it coming out? I just use that as a knife. I'm gonna go around the edges real gently.
One eternity later.
Grease the pan properly, you know. Come out. It's not coming out. So I decided to try one more time to use the knife to ease the sides off the pan just so that I could get the cake out. And finally, we were successful. Yay! Woo! We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! I said chat the bottom of the cake did look a bit bun up. No wonder anyone come out of the pan. Anyway, off camera, like after I do all of this, I decided to just go and cut off the bottom, and I did that and it was perfect. So yeah, no harm done. And I'm going to cover it with foil just to make sure it's ready. Yeah, I don't want to mess up too much with everything. Yeah, I don't want to mess up too much, so I'm just gonna leave it right there, so. And then I'm gonna slide the cake off, put it on my turntable. What is the right name for this? I don't think it's a turntable. Yeah. Anyway, watch one video about how to cut the cake. So, say over like halfway, you cut. And as you're cutting, you're turning your cake. Funky dogs. Yo. Y'all, book me for your weddings, okay? Book me. As a chef. As a what? Chef. I'm so excited. We did it. Oh my god, that is gorgeous, guys. That is beautiful. Wow. So this is what we're working with. I had some leftover frosting. This is what I'm gonna put in the center. I think I may need more frosting because I don't think this is gonna be enough to do the top as well. So I'm gonna be making some more frosting, but yeah, that's what we're working with so far. So I did start to spread my frosting, and I saw some techniques. I picked up some techniques from watching all these cooking and baking shows that I watch, and just turning the table makes it so much easier to actually frost a cake. Yes, I'm so happy that I got this from my friend Big Up Shan every single time. And yes, after I frosted the middle, I went ahead and got some walnuts. I crushed them up, and then I just sprinkled them throughout the layer so that when we do actually cut into it, we'll get chunks of walnuts just throughout the cake. So excited because guys, I actually love walnuts in pastries. All right, it's so good, you should try it. So once I was done with that layer, I went ahead and popped the top back on and just repeated the first step. And then to top it off and to make it look really pretty, I added walnuts again, but this time I did it just around the edges because I was going for a really nice clean aesthetic, and I wanted that crunch at the edges since I already had it in the middle. And this was the final look, you guys. I personally think we did a fantastic job. Out of 10, I'd give this recipe about a 7.5 for the taste. I definitely think I will be trying it again. Let me know, do you like carrot cake, and what do you think about the aesthetic? How much did I rate me out of 10 for this look? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you made it this far. You're a real OG. Like, leave a comment, anything. So these are some pictures because I didn't get any proper videos of the inside. Until next time, guys, walk good. Jesus loves you, and so do I. See you in the next one. Okay, bye.